So I want to just share how I got this buy this morning on gold. Remember, I said my bias for gold this week is bullish. That means I will be focusing more on buying than sales. So when I saw price retracing from this particular point, initially I would have said I would have taken another entry from this candlestick. I would have taken my entry from this place. Then I would have targeted one to two as usual. But then I didn't. I had other alternatives. So, but it was still in the same region actually, even if the entries were a bit. So ideally, if I did made use of this particular candlestick as my entry because it served as a order block that actually led to the break of this high here, I would have made use of it, but then I neglected it. Why? I saw from the 1 hour time frame, I saw a breaker here. That's this area I marked out. This one, yes, I saw a breaker there. Then when I switched to the 15 minutes time frame, I marked it out. You can see that I marked it out already. So this was my confluence, and just below the high of that breaker block, you can see an order block here. So what I did to compensate for both of these is that I actually set my pending order to be the high of this breaker block, then my SL covers both the breaker block and the other block that is situated right here. And it was a 1 to 4 risk to reward trade, as you can see. So that was how I got the entry. So basically, from my strategy, you can see that I only utilize order blocks, breaker blocks, and fair value gaps for my entry confirmation in line with the higher time frames that is showing me the directional bias for that day or that week, probably, as the case may be. So you can see from the 4 hour time frame, you can see gold is rallying up. So as I said initially, my bias for the week is actually bullish. So I'm more concentrated on buying than sales. And that's why you see me from all this trade, I've not really sold any. And so far, this particular one is the only one that I've hit SL so far, and that was yesterday. This was during Asian session, and this was just this morning. So that's how it's been going, and I hope you guys are having a good time as well as regarding trading.